Hi everyone, I hope that you all are doing well. So today I'm going to show you how you can make polygons very fast like in a jiffy. So first of all you have to open the website openstreetmap.org and you have to search your desired area. For example, I'm searching London. So I'll just zoom it and I'll get the data I want. I'll just select my desired area by zooming it. So the next step is to export the data, so I'll just click on export and I'll export the data. The data you will get in .osm format. So first of all you have to convert that OSM into KML because there are conversion tools in ArcGis, so we will convert that KML to layer by conversion tools, so we will be able to import the polygons into our ArcMap. So for that purpose we are converting OSM into KML, but we can also import OSM file via OSM reader extension into ArcGis. So there are many extensions, but I prefer to convert it into KML. So before conversion you can just check your data before exporting. So as I am checking my data, then I'll finally convert and export. So first step is to check the data. Yeah, I just checked, now it's look perfect. Now I'll just hit the convert button. So I'll convert now my data from OSM to KML format. So after getting my data into KML, I will just import that data into my ArcMap for further processing. So you can see I just downloaded the data. Now I'm just extracting into my desired folder. So for example, in my case, previous name is my desired folder, so I'm going to save it in here. Now I just opened the ArcMap. Now I am going to convert first of all that KML to layer. That I just downloaded that KML file, so I'll first of all convert into layer. I'll import the data. Now after that I just converted from KML to layer by conversion tool. Now boom, you can see I got the data. How fastly I got polygons. You just uncheck other you don't want. For example, I don't want point lines, so I'll just uncheck or delete them. My concern is with polygons. So you can see guys how super fastly I got polygons without any digitization or without making that much effort. So it's very simple and very easy. So hope you like guys my video. So if you are new here, so please hit the subscribe button and remember your prayers. Have a nice day, stay blessed, bye, and enjoy the video.